Hi everyone, welcome to DevOps Bunker. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a repository in GitHub and how to do first commit to GitHub repo. And there are some basic commands which will help us to push our first commit. Let's start. Go to Chrome browser and log into your GitHub. Then you will see this kind of screen and click on create a repository. So here, enter new repo name. So description is optional. If you want to give, you can give like this. And we are going to create private repository. Then you have to select private and then click on nothing else. You can select this one or simply create a repository. This means you are creating an empty repository. Simply click on create repository. Now we have created empty repository and we want to do one first commit to this one. So for that I'm going to clone this repo, git clone and the URL. So this will definitely pop up for credentials to enter. So here is the pop-up. Now you have to click and sign in with the browser. So I have already logged into this GitHub, right? That's why it's not asking to sign in again. Then you have, if you're not logged in already, then you have to sign in. Then you will see this kind of screen. Then you click on authorize Git ecosystem, which will approve you to clone this repository. So that is done. If you come here, this is, yeah. So now we have cloned empty repository to our downloads folder. Now I'm just going to their new repo. So this is the new repo. I'm just entering with the cd command. So this is git bash where I'm executing this commands is in git bash. So you have to make sure you also have this git bash to work with the Linux based commands. ls here I have nothing, so I'm going to create one file here with the readme. So for that I'm just copy paste this one. So I have created this command. So now this is in ready to add. So once you create file, right, directly you cannot commit this file to GitHub repository. First we have to enter a few commands to do that. So git add. So if you execute this one, this will make the files to ready to commit. So now git status, execute git status. You see this is already added to commit list. So now these changes are ready to commit, changes to be committed. So now we have to execute git commit m first commit in the demo. So now I'm executing this. Oh, sorry. So command is wrong here. So I'm just entering. So m means message. So first commit in the demo. So now this will be committed. Also, there are two semicolons here. So enter this one. So now this is committed locally. Okay. So now you have to push this locally committed changes to your remote repository. Then you have to enter git push. Again, this will pop up for the credentials. Just wait for it. Oh, this time this is not asking for the because it might have already saved it. So it's not asking. So then let's go to GitHub and search this whether this file is committed here or not. You see this file is already. So this is the one. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe. See you in the next video.